Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your personal information in the Bart application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button and add the personal information section. As you can see, you can provide a phone number. It's useful if you're ordering, then it will be easier to reach you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.